In 2017, the pub being open for a couple of years, you acquired a new pet, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Now, in the past, you've had other animals, such as what?
Dobermans, cats, chipmunks.
What did you do with a chipmunk? Don't tell me if it's something filthy.
Can't say them. No, I just had them as a pet, put them in a perspex bowl for around the house.
Why? That's like having a squirrel, which is just a rat with good PR. But you like a little bit of the exotic, am I right?
You can say that, yes.
You bought a new pet, and what was that, sir?
I bought a goat.
You bought a goat?
Pygmy goat.
That's presumably because it is a small goat?
Yep.
And what did you name the pygmy goat?
Eric.
After Morecambe and Wise?
No, after Eric Cantona.
After Eric Cantona? Yes. Is that... Oh, there he is. Yes, there's a striking resemblance. And so, when he was 12 weeks old, you picked him up, correct?
Correct.
And you had, as far as I can gather from your reply in this matter, a rather jolly old time. You took him to all sorts of places.
Correct.
He became your sort of companion, really.
Shadow, I'd say. Yeah, I took him everywhere with me.
Any high points?
Yeah, cruised to the Lake Windermere a few times.
Just pause. You went on a cruise with your goat, Eric?
Yeah, 3 times.
On Lake Windermere?
Yes. That's it, right?
That's him on a cruise on Lake Windermere?
Yeah, that was last week.
Is that before or after cocktail hour?
No, that was around dinner time.
And what's he dressed up as there?
Super goat.
Does your goat have superpowers?
No, it's just a costume. But he's got his own Instagram page, so I'll put him on there.
Understood. Now, when he bought this goat, about 3 months later, he was regularly coming into your pub. Mm-hmm. Very good, very nice customer, I would have thought. A regular that encourages other people to come, yes?
Yes.
And is Jack sort of a bit like the life and soul?
When he's had a few gins too many, yeah.
In May 2017, madam, you were presented with what I can describe as a rather challenging legal problem. When Jack decided to bring Eric to your pub, was that because he asked you? Was it because he wanted to play pool? Or did he one day sit down and say to you, the thing is, Jack, I just really fancy a shandy?
No. I just took him in, just to take him in for a bit of a break.
Bit of a break? From what? It's a goat. He eats grass. I don't understand. He needs a break. What, was he sort of troubled by the stress of work? Had he been driving around the M25? I don't understand.
No, we've been in the car for a while and after we've been out for a walk, so I thought I'd give him some refreshments.
Well, what refreshments does a goat eat in the pub?
He'll have a packet of quavers every now and again or some fresh fruit.
Now, you were presented at the door with a sign prohibiting animals, correct?
No, just the dog.
Exactly so. What sign did you see?
No dogs allowed.
No dogs allowed. And consequently, Jackie, what did you do?
I was upstairs at the time. When I came down, Jack was actually picking bits up off the carpet. He said he'd dropped some chocolate raisins, but it wasn't. He said, my hands were tied because it clearly says no dogs, it doesn't say no animals.
Understood. Well, were they tied? I have to tell you, madam, in law, believe it or not, the two of you have stumbled on a rather interesting case. In other words, you explicitly preclude dogs being brought into your pub. Mm-hmm. You saw that sign, Jack, and thought to yourself, well, legally, that doesn't mean I can't bring my goat in.
Loophole.
A what?
A loophole.
A loophole?
Yep.
Yes. Now, madam, what prevented you from immediately going upstairs and doing what? Here's a pen. What could you have done?
Well, I could have done a new sign.
Were you worried that you were going to get attacked for discrimination?
No, but...
Were you worried you were going to be goatist?
No.
Why not?
He actually took him into the beer garden. He didn't stay in the pub that day.
So you permitted him to come in, correct?
Yeah.
The issue is what happened to your property, and the first thing that you claim for are the radiator covers. £124.99. What do you say happened to them?
It buttered it.
He butted the cover. Well, by this time, as I understand it, the goat had been coming into your pub for at least 1 month.
Yep.
So you must have been mildly aware that it was a possibility that a goat could do that.
Jack assured me it was well trained.
What did you say?
He's well trained.
Did you keep the goat on a leash?
Most of the time. Sometimes, no. If it was in the beer garden, but it's like the fire exits to come in and out. If I were talking to someone, he's gone in that way.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.